Let's learn animals. In the library.
What are you writing?
I'm writing about the zoo. There are so many animals.
What animals do you like, Sam?
I like the ducks best.
Really? Why? Ducks are boring.
Because they can swim. They can walk. And they can fly. They can do everything.
What about you, Simon? What animals do you like?
I like elephants because they are big and strong. They have got big ears. I like big ears.
That's funny. I like monkeys because they are cute. They can run and they can climb very fast. Do you like dolphins?
Yes, I like dolphins too. Everyone likes dolphins. But they are not as good as ducks. Dolphins can't fly and can't walk.
I like pandas too. They can't swim and they can't fly. But they are cute.
Oh, I think pandas are cute. They are not strong like elephants. But they are not weak.
Okay, let's go and see the pandas first. And see if they are strong or weak.